morning, second class children. Are you all ready for the Hindi class? Okay. So get ready for our today's sessions. But this is not new. I am not going to start any badi ki matra now because I have to wait for my children. From tomorrow I will start the new class, that is badi ki matra. Today we will go for brush up. I am going to brush up the old class. Okay, old session whatever I had taught you, that we will go through it. Okay, choti u ki matra. How many matra we had completed? We are in the fifth matra, isn't it? A, E, U. So matra is in fourth place. Letters are in fifth place. Okay. Keep remember these things. Now get ready. Now I had practiced you a matra, choti ki matra, badi ki matra and choti u ki matra. First letter no matra. A कोई मात्रा नहीं है. A matra, isn't it? That also I had given some bits. How many exercises I had given? Choti ki matra, badi ki matra, choti u ki matra. Now we'll write on the board. Look at that, how many matra we had completed. For the first letter A, there is no matra. Second letter A ki matra. E, choti ki matra, it is back side. Okay, so it is going to back side, left side. Badi ki matra, right side. Okay, choti u ki matra, it is going towards upward. Now the new letter is badi u ki matra, get towards down. Okay, so this matra will teach you tomorrow. So we had in which letter now we had going to complete now? A, no matra. A की मात्रा, ई छोटी की मात्रा, ई बड़ी की मात्रा, ऊ छोटी ऊ की matra we had completed. Okay, this all the matra had you understand? Is it easy? Can you able to follow my all the matra whatever I had teach you? Yes, it is very easy, but if you do the practice regularly, then only I think that will be more easy for you all. Okay, आप रोज प्रैक्टिस करोगे तो हर एक मात्रा आपके लिए बहुत बहुत आसान हो जाएगा. मतलब क्या? बहुत इजी आपके लिए. आसान मतलब क्या? बहुत इजी. And everyone can follow my Hindi language, isn't it? Yes, I know some children they will talk in Hindi very good. I had seen so many children last year when they are in class 1, they used to then they used to talk with me in Hindi also. Okay, I had seen. So they can understand. If I talk with them also, they may understand this language. Okay, so this is our national language. See children, you have to understand and you try to speak in Hindi. Telugu is a mother tongue. Okay, but mother tongue is not a Hindi. If it is not a mother tongue, it's not an issue, but it's a national language. Everyone should has to understand. You have to try to speak in Hindi. Okay, so I will start very slowly along with the matra with you. People, I do the discussion also in Hindi. Okay, so now the previous matra I had taught you what? छोटी ऊ की मात्रा. क्या सिखाया आपको मैं? छोटी ऊ की मात्रा कैसा लिखना, किस तरीके में लिखा जाता मात्रा, ये सब सीखे है ना. तो हम अभी क्या सीखना है? छोटा सा एक एक्सरसाइज बनाएंगे. किसके बारे में? छोटी ऊ की बात, छोटी ऊ की मात्रा. उसी से हम एक छोटा सा एक मतलब क्या, we are going to give like it's like activity you may understand. Okay, you may paste the picture. If you understand, you can paste it or you can draw the pictures. Okay, it is all related to what? Like it's like action words. It's all like it comes under action word. Don't think it's a grammar. We are not going to teach you. This is not English class, or I'm not going to teach any grammar. But it is like it can come under activity, or it's just a pasting, or you can do any drawing also. But you have to understand those words. Okay. See, if I talk now, अरे गाना गाओ बच्चे. गाना मतलब क्या? टीचर. Then you have to think. గానా ఏంటి టీచర్, ఇది గానా అంటే ఏంటి అలా అనుకుంటారు, అవునా కదా? గానా అంటే ఏంటి? పాట పాడడానికి ఏమంటాము? గానా. అయితే మీకు పిక్చర్ దొరికితే పిక్చర్ పెట్టండి, డ్రాయింగ్ వస్తే డ్రాయింగ్ చేయండి. ఓకే, ఏదైనా ఒకటి. ఇఫ్ లైక్ స్మాల్ ఎనీ చైల్డ్ ఆర్ women, if they are like singing, you paste one picture. गाना. सुनना, to hear, to listen. सुनना मतलब क्या? सुनना मतलब क्या, कैसा? अभी आपको मैं पढ़ा रही हूँ, आप लोग सुन रहे हैं ना, तो इसको क्या बोलते हैं? सुनना. चढ़ना, टू क्लाइंब. ओके, so you have to paste the picture of climbing. ఉతర్నా, దిగడము. దిగడం అంటే ఏంటో, అగైన్ యూ గెటింగ్ డౌన్. ఇఫ్ వన్స్ యూ గెట్ ఇన్ టు ద స్టెప్స్ నో, పైకి ఎక్కుతారు మెట్లు, ఎక్కిన తర్వాత మళ్ళీ దిగుతారు కదా, దానికి ఏమంటారు? ఉతర్నా అనాలి. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ వన్ చడ్నా, ఉతర్నా. ఉఠనా, లేవడంకి ఏమనాలి? ఉఠనా. ఓకే, సో లైక్ దిస్ ఐ విల్ గివ్ వెరీ సింపుల్ వర్డ్స్. Please children, try to understand those simple words and do the pasting work or drawing work, or you have to understand those words and try to write in English. Okay, any option, writing and translate in English, or do the drawing or pasting. See, I had given the three options for you, isn't it? Teacher had given the three options. Either you translate in English, Hindi to English, or you can draw the pictures of whatever the names I had given in the word in the board. Okay, or you can paste the pictures. Okay, it's all up to you. So this will be the last exercise for you today, and from tomorrow we will start with the Badiyu ki matra, and you may are going to enjoy that class, Badiyu ki matra, isn't it? So the sounds of the letters, we are going to complete that big sound. See, in Swarno we have only some letters, we have the sound, one small and big sound, like one small tune and we have a big again small font. Okay, that is a small sound. What is that? E. You are dragging the letter. Oo. Ooh. So this sounds of those letters, you are have only e, oo, oo. That's it. And after the tree, no double sounds, only you have the single sound. You have only single sounds. What are they? Re, a, I, o, au, aha. You have also matra, only one matra. Re matra. A matra. But we don't have the double sound letters. Re, a, I, o, no, nothing. Only till o we have the double sound letters. One small sound and big sound. We have to drag the matra in. But in Hindi, but Telugu you have o, a, isn't it? But in Hindi we have only single tone after re. As soon as we touch the re letter, we have only single sound letters. Okay, so let me complete this small exercise I am going to give you. Why I am giving this small exercise for you all? Try to understand why teacher is giving like this today. Yes, because some children had went to a native place, isn't it? వాళ్ళందరూ ఊరికి వెళ్ళారేమో, వాళ్ళందరూ రాని రేపు అందరికీ నేను బడికి మాత్రం స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాను. సో దే షుడ్ నాట్ మిస్ మై క్లాస్. దట్ ఈస్ ద రీజన్ టీచర్ ఈస్ నాట్ గోయింగ్ టు స్టార్ట్ టుడే the new class. If I start today, what happened? They are going to miss the class. Okay, so I don't want to give that chance. So let me start from tomorrow the new session. Today I am going to teach you the O matra related words. Okay, it's a small activity, or you may think, or it's a small any worksheet. Okay, come on, note down children. चित्र देकर सही लिखो, or else you can do the draw or paste of the given words, of the given words. Okay, come on, number 1, sunna, to listen, to hear. Okay, Gana. Second one, Gana, sing, to sing. Chadna, to climb. Uthna. Fifth one, Utarna. उड़ना. Okay, so please do this activity children. Okay, so we are going to complete this. सुनना, गाना, चढ़ना, उठना, उतरना, Odana. Very simple words I had given to you all. Please try to complete. Okay, please try to complete these words. What are the words I had given? Sunna, Gana, Chadna, Uthna, Utarna, Udna. Okay, and try to complete all those words. If you know, you draw. If the pictures are available, you can draw, you can paste. So tomorrow teacher will start the Badi Uki Matra class. Okay, so today let me close the class today. This session is completed. So tomorrow we'll start with the new class. Thank you children. Bye bye.